guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video we are going to be doing a declutter with me 2023. It's going to be, no, this is not our first video. Our first video was what I got for Christmas for 2023, but we are going to be doing a decluttering video because as you notice, I am in a different house now. I live in a different house now. We moved here a year ago, and I'm really planning to do this declutter haul before I do my room tour, which a lot of people have been asking for. I'm gonna show you guys what we're gonna be dealing with because we're gonna be dealing with a lot of things because I haven't decluttered in them like a long time, I think a year. So we're gonna show you guys what my closet looks like. So this is my walk-in closet. It's just a little walk-in closet, but it can fit a lot of things, as you can see, but we have a lot of things to go through. I'm going to show you guys how I section my closet and how I organize it as well. So right here, these are all like fitted crop top, fitted long sleeve, fitted shirt, tank tops, all like that. These are all in this aisle. And as you can see, they are also color coordinated. So it stops here for my tank top. It starts with black, dark gray, white, and these are all the colored ones. And then here these are sweater, hoodie, thicker long sleeve, I guess. And then these just start with, right here are my white ones, gray, the browns, the colored ones, blue, dark gray, and then goes to black, which as you can see goes all the way back here. Now this side of my closet, I just have here on top my mom jeans, my fitted jeans, and then these are my jean shorts. And then they're also somehow color coordinated, like these are like dark and then they go light, but these are new jeans that I just bought that I just put on top. Now for the side, I just have all my coats that I haven't worn. So these are just some of the coats, and then this side I just have all my short dresses and then some cardigans. As you can see on the side right here, I got a lot of Lulu bags that I just put in the hanger. But a lot of these clothes honestly still have tags in them. Like this one still have a tag in them. This one does. This, and then a lot of my dresses still has tags in them. Below these clothes, I still have, of course, more clothes. This is just a drawer filled with my PJs. These are my sleepwear. This is my sportswear, and this is undergarment. Also, underneath these, there's a pile of t-shirts. So all my sports t-shirts are in here. I have 4 piles of them. So 1, 2, and I have 2 also in the back. When you look to the side, I have this huge Nike bag that just has all new clothes that still has tags on them. So these are the clothes that I recently bought or I got for Christmas. I'm hoping to get rid of 2 bags of clothes. So I have 2 trash bags in here and hoping that we get to fill this up. And all these clothes that I'm getting rid of, I'm actually donating. I'm actually sending some of them, well, most of them to the Philippines to my cousin. But other than that, I don't sell my clothes. I really don't know how to. I wish I could because there's a lot of clothes, as you can see, that still have tags in them, and I wish I could sell them. Okay guys, so we're gonna start now. We're gonna start with this pile of clothes first because, as I said, I'm trying to get rid of a lot of hangers as much as possible, and then I could put in my clothes that I need to hang. Guys, I literally have 2 pairs of polo shirts. Like this one still has a tag in it, and this one is already used, so we can't keep both of them because they're both the same one. So I'm just gonna get rid of the one that I already used and then keep the one that I haven't used. That's all for this side, but I got 2, 4, 6. I got 6 hangers. I mean, that's not a bad thing, right? I've never worn this jacket before, and I have another one, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I have one in black too. And I used to be in love with these when I was in 7th grade. I remember wearing this in 7th grade. But this one, this is new. Like, I've never worn this. I don't know why it doesn't have a tag in them. But I think it's the sleeve is too short again. Okay, fine. I'm gonna let go of this, and I might keep the black one. Guys, we're literally doing so good so far. Like, look how much space I have for my clothes. Like, I I've taken out a lot of color. Oh my gosh. I've taken out all my pink, my reds, and my oranges. These are all the hangers that I got out from the hoodie section, and I got 2, 4, 13. We got rid of 13, and the clothes are actually piling up now, so that's a good thing. This is how my jeans looks like now. I also color coordinated it to the darkest to the lightest, just because they look so organized. And then this side as well. I didn't get rid of a lot of jeans because I wear them most of the time, except for the short ones, which I got a lot of shorts and fitted jeans. But this is the clothes so far, and there's like just all bundled up. There's just so many of them. Now we're gonna do all these shirts here and then this drawer. Guys, I found another same shirt again. It's a polo shirt again, and they're both folded. I literally have 2 pairs of the black ones as well. What is happening? Okay, you guys, so we are done with the shirts. I got a couple of shirts, but this is my sportswear, and these are this bin right here is all my sportswear. I got so much leggings, but I wear all of them like most often because I'm a kind of leggings person, so I usually wear leggings a lot. So I don't know how to get rid of them because I usually use them most of the time, and I have this bag of clothes just full of sports stuff which needs space. So I don't know what I'm gonna do because they all have to fit in here, but at the same time there's nowhere to put it in. Before I put these things away, actually I want to do a haul for you guys because I usually do hauls a lot on my TikTok. So you don't follow me, go follow me on TikTok, but I do a lot of hauls in there. This is a black sports bra from Lulu. I have one in white as well, and then I got these sleepwear, this set from Target, this matching set that I got, and I also got it in pink, just like that. Oh, these are also from Target, just a shirt. Oh, and then I got another Lulu sports bra. This is from the gift for my Christmas gift. Shorts from Nike. This looks like that. And then I got another short. This one's from Under Armour. And also I got a tank top from them for summer when I go hiking. I got that, and I got it in this color as well. It's like green, like it looks green but it doesn't. And then these like light blue. And then this one is also from Nike, so I got it in this color. This is just a plain shirt from Nike. They were on sale as well. Got a plain black. Oh, this one is another black one from Nike. Just a tank top. And then that's why I have a lot of sports clothes that I have to put in this drawer, but I can't. Another one in black. Last thing that I got are from North Face. Just this one. This is a sweater, and it just had that. I think it was cute, so I got that one. These are all the clothes that I have decluttered, and when I tell you there are just so much clothes in here, which is a good thing though, because we got a lot of clothes that we could give away, and these are just clothes that are in my room, and I think someone could use them more than me. We are officially done now. All we have to do is fold the clothes and pile them, so I'm doing the hoodies first. This is all of it, you guys. We got a lot of clothes. I came all the way from my closet, which was nice. Here you go, guys. We have 2 bags of clothes filled to the nape, which I'm so happy. And this is finally my closet, which is so much cleaner and without those clothes in there. But yeah, we got 2 bags of clothes. So that's all for this video, you guys. I hope you guys liked this video as much as I did. I enjoyed decluttering my closet, and as you can see, literally took us till the dark for us to finish this video and finish this decluttering. But I hope you guys like this video. I'll see you guys on my next vlog. Toodles!